Oh well, the ute's now done as such. Runs, drives, it's all put back together. So this is the official up for sale video of it. Still need to do the windscreen, but that will be sorted for the sale. Otherwise, if someone wants to buy it immediately, I'll knock $500 off the price to cover a new windscreen and new wiper blades. Apart from that though, yeah, it's done. I'm just waiting on a new, or not new, but you know, another dash cluster, because for some reason, I don't know why, but this one, even though this isn't the original one to it, this one drops down below 0 every time it gets shut off. So I don't know what the fuck's going on there. Well, as you see, it does rev, but it never, like, you can put it up to where it should be, and when you shut it off, it'll go straight back down to below 0 and reset itself. I don't know what's going on there. So I've got someone chasing me down a new dash cluster for it, and then once I get that, I can refit the vent and shit. As you hear, it's got the 2.5 inch exhaust under it now, which has a very nice note. If the buyer wants, I'll cut another bit of 2.5 inch pipe and weld it to the side of that one so as that it's looks like a twin tip. Engine bay's all done, cleaned up, ready to go. New oil, new filter, new plugs, new fuel sender unit, new fuel pump, new coolant. So yeah, asking price is $7,500. Am negotiable on that though, depending, as I say, if they want to take it with the broken screen, I'll knock $500 off. If they don't want it on these wheels, I'll most probably take like 6.5 without the wheels. So yeah, I've also got a custom headliner for it to go in. It's embossed with XR6 on it, so I'll be fitting that as well. So yeah, any queries or you want to arrange an inspection or whatever, just get in touch and I'll work it out. In the meantime, have a good one.